In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook pixel, and later we're going to install this piece of code and put it onto your website. And this is imperative because this is how Facebook is able to track the visitors and the data that's going on your website, and that would contribute to your conversions campaign. So for every action taken, whether it's a purchase or sign up or add to cart or anything like that, that is exactly how Facebook can track the data and send it back to your ads manager. So let's suspend all the geek talk over here and just get down to doing it. All right, it's rather simple, really, despite what I'm telling you right now. So what we're going to do is that we're now in your business manager account, and we're going to go to events manager. Okay, so it's on the left, click on events manager. Now, if you're seeing this for the first time, I'm using another account, by the way, so it's rather a bit established somewhat. But if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to see absolutely nothing here at all. It's going to be a blank slate. All right. So what you want to do is on the left menu here, you'll click on this green plus icon called Connect Data Sources. So don't worry about the geek talk and all that, okay? So just follow me step by step on this. Now, I have to say that before this video was recorded, adding a Facebook pixel used to be a step simpler, but not to worry, it is still quite easy to do it, all right? Just with a bit of changes. So with that said, I want you to select Web, click on Get Started, and you will select Facebook pixel and click Connect. Now, we're going to give a name to a pixel, which again, you can give it any name you want. Only you can see it. And if you don't like the name, you can always change the name afterwards. Now, for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to name it after a website that I will be adding this pixel to. All right, so I'm just going to call it Shopodium Co. You can call it any name you want. And over here, you're going to add in your website URL. Although it says it's optional, you can still put in your website. And if you're asking, can I put this same pixel on multiple websites, that is still okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right now. Okay, this is just an example. This will be your own website, and then we'll click on Continue. And yes, we're done. Okay, so what happens here is that we had already created a Facebook pixel somewhere in the background. I created this thing called Shopodium Co. And you might want to take note of the ID here. So at this point, we're going to add the Facebook pixel to your website. Now, this is where it gets a little bit open-ended because this really depends on what kind of website you're using. So I'm going to use, for the purpose of example, WordPress. What in every 4 website on the internet is using WordPress. So this is quite a common plugin. So if you're using WordPress, you will just click on this, okay? If there are any other integrations, let's just see what else there's available. We'll click on select another integration, and there are other partner integrations you can choose from. So if you're using Shopify, which is a very popular e-commerce platform, you can also click on Shopify and also follow the steps.